Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. For updating, we have to install LAMP signs, GrandCMS or commands to use Apache as web server. To install LAMP, just run the following command. When the LAMP is installed, you need to add missing module that is not officially repository, so we have to add an extra repository. Run the following command. Now install the necessary packages by running the next command. Let's create a new database and user for GrandCMS. Enter the mariadb shell, then create the necessary database, then create user with your favorite password. Now assign to this new user permission on the database we have created. Apply the changes and exit the console. Now, with the help of the next command, we can start the GrandCMS download. Create a folder containing the application files. Unzip the file and move the whole folder to the Apache document root. After this, we have to enable the new CMS settings. To do this, run the following command. For the complete execution to be correct, change the permission of the holder. Then make Apache the owner of the holder. Create a new virtual host for GrandCMS. Add the following lines. Remember that you have to change server name to your domain name or IP address. Save the change and close the editor, then enable the new site. Enable the rewrite module, and finally apply the changes by restarting Apache. Open your web browser and visit your domain name to complete the installation. You will see the license terms. You need to press on continue button. Then the server requirements, and if you meet them, in this case we have no problems. Then you will have to configure the database with the parameters we have created above. Below you have to create the CMS admin user. Then you will see the next screen that indicates that everything has been successful. From here you can visit the site of the dashboard or log in to your administrator. Just log in by using your created admin user. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.